Hello, my name is Piotr Vnuk. I'm a deputy editor at Labels and Labeling magazine. And today I'm catching up with Stefano Braccalenti, production manager at Italian label converter Il Nastro. The family-run business has been founded 35 years ago by the Crisci family and grew into one of the leading converters in Perugia province with a team of 40 and over 6 million euro turnover. Stefano, who I'm catching up with today, has an immense passion for the business and is one of the main driving forces behind the majority of investment decisions in the company. Hello, Stefano. Thank you very much for taking time talking to us. I would like to learn a little bit more about your passion for the print industry. So could we just start with saying, if you could just tell me, how did you start your career?
Hi, Piotr. It's a pleasure for me. My history is in the world of label. Began in 2020 and 2010. Okay, in April it will be 11 years. Okay, I started when I was 21 years old, and with a little previous work experience, but in reality I had everything to learn. Okay, I didn't know much about printing. And I didn't know anything about self-adhesive. Okay, self-adhesive labels for me in past was I don't know that how they were created. Okay, I don't know nothing to self-adhesive labels. However, I have always an attitude for directing. Okay, and above all, organizing. I did not like, and I do not like to sit still and wait and execute only. Okay, always observed and tried to understand what could be done to improve, speed up, and better organize production. Okay, I was a warehouse worker and packer for shipment only, and I always had an eye on production, because I'm curious. Okay, I'm curious to improve, and I above all heard the criticism of the operators. Operators say, "Yeah, why I print now this, and I had printed the same one day before. Why?" And I think in my mind, why I can't help for organize.
So you started as a packer, dispatch team. So where did you move from that?
I went upstairs and say to all, "Hey guys, hey girls, we have a problem, because a lot of jobs are the same. We think that we took that a lot of works, but we can do for organize and for eliminate the a lot of setup, the same setup, the same waste." Okay, because the Nastro was already a big company. Okay, but without the programming. Okay, they worked day by day. What we do today? Okay, this is the question of day by day, no? And I think that with the 30, 40, 50 people is too much. Okay, and decided to help the all to organize.
Okay, so could you tell me, we'll come back to this shortly as to how did you help to organize, but could you tell me what do you like the most about your job?
I really like what I do. Behind it, organize and make sure that everything goes well, even if it's not always easy, and I always can't. Okay, I also like the advice that I can now give to clients who really on me, knowing that I am an expert, okay? Because the machine are important, but the software are more important, okay? Now in that time, okay? And but which automates and and eliminates a lot of wasted time, because a lot of time you spent for a lot of things you don't see that, but you spend a lot of time for a lot of things not important, and the software do that for us.
Mm-hmm.
And the most important thing I did in Nastro is the implementation with Cerm,
Mm-hmm.
because the software are important in a small company, but in the medium and bigger are most important. Okay.
How did you find out about Cerm?
We have inside the Nastro, we had from 5 years. Okay, ESCO.
Mm-hmm.
ESCO is a software for pre-press. Okay, the operators in pre-press say me, what problem have you in software of company? We work a lot of automation with the automation engine with the ESCO. Okay, we have a lot of things. What do we do in a software of customer? And I call 1, 2, 3, 4 companies, saw a lot of demo. I saw the demo of Cerm. I saw that the Cerm is born for the label. The automation, the idea is the roles. And I decided to use Cerm and go to Cerm.
What was the first thing you have noticed when you implemented the system?
The calculation, the estimate, because it's the first one I need to do. You take a time for setup, 10 minutes. Okay, parameter, all the things parameter. How many change of roles? How many time to change of roles? All the thing in estimate. All the thing you can put, and all you have the best real price. Okay, not the best price, the real price. Okay, because the estimate is the cost of the company had to realize. After you have a margin, you decided your margin, no problem. But the Cerm, the important thing that for Cerm is say you the real cost to do the thing.
Okay, thank you very much, Stefano. It was a pleasure to catch up with you and listen about your career and your passion for the print industry. Il Nastro and Stefano are featured in the latest Labels and Labeling magazine in Path to Automation article following the investment and implementation of Cerm. So please check out our latest magazine to learn more about both Stefano and Il Nastro. Thank you very much, Stefano.
Thank you, Pedro.